In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot if Grammarly isn't working in Google Chrome. Let's face it, we all rely on Grammarly to keep our writing sharp and free of pesky errors. But occasionally, it can run into some issues, especially within web browsers like Google Chrome. Don't worry though, I've got you covered with some straightforward steps to help you get everything back on track. First, let's start with the basics and ensure that the Grammarly extension is enabled. Open up Google Chrome and go to the address bar. Type in Chrome/extensions, then hit Enter. This will take you to the extensions page. Here, you want to make sure that Grammarly is present and the toggle next to it is turned on. You may also notice if the Grammarly icon is grayed out in your toolbar. If so, click on it and double-check that Check Text with Browser Extension is enabled. Next, it's essential to verify that both Google Chrome and the Grammarly extension are up to date. For Chrome, click on the menu, which looks like 3 dots in the upper right corner. From there, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. This page will automatically check for and download any available updates for Chrome. As for the extension, return to your extensions page. If you enable Developer Mode in the top right corner, you'll see an option to update all your extensions, including Grammarly. Simply click Update, and you're good to go. If everything is up to date but Grammarly is still giving you trouble, it might be time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Head over to the Chrome menu again, hover over More Tools, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select All Time as the time range and check the boxes for cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Once selected, click on Clear Data. After doing this, give your browser a quick restart. Sometimes, other extensions installed on your Chrome browser might conflict with Grammarly. To see if this is the case, try disabling all other extensions temporarily. Check to see if Grammarly starts working after this. If it does, you can enable your extensions one by one to pinpoint which one might be causing the problem. Lastly, it's important to ensure that the website or text box you're working with is compatible with Grammarly. Remember, Grammarly doesn't work in every text field, especially those built with iframes or a custom user interface. If you can't see the Grammarly icon on a particular website, ensure the extension is enabled for that site and that the text box you're trying to use meets the minimum size requirements needed for Grammarly to function properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Grammarly not working in Google Chrome. Hopefully, you're now back to polishing your writing with ease. Happy typing!